Aloha and welcome to Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa on the Hawaiian island of Oahu. We have been traveling since 6 a.m. Los Angeles time, which is really 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and here right now it is 4:46, which makes it 10:46 at home. And you can see the light here. It is still daytime because it's 4:45, so we're trying to acclimate. Today was our flight day, so you are getting a very real and raw and pretty tired but very excited tour of our hotel stay. Now, we are DVC members, but we're not using our DVC points here at Aulani for this trip. So we're sharing a room with Callie, and if you watched our room tour of the Disneyland Good Neighbor Hotel, you'll know that we did not share space with her in that hotel. And here, because the prices in Hawaii are a little bit steeper than they are in Anaheim, we're sharing space. So I want to take you through the room and show you what you get if you stay on the hotel side of Disney's Aulani Resort. I'm gonna apologize for the lighting right now. It is very yellow lighting, and there's not really much I can do to edit that out, but you're not here for the lighting, you're here for the tour. So let's get started. We are staying on the hotel side. We are on the 5th floor. There are 16 floors here at Aulani, and everything is themed to feel very earthy and blending in with nature, because that's kind of all about the mission for Aulani, is to get you immersed in the culture. So let me show you the room that we're in. Okay, so I am standing with my back against the door, and you can see all the way out to our balcony here. Obviously, this is not a suite. It's not a monstrous sized room, but the point is that when you're in Hawaii, I don't think you're spending too much time in the room. So I will come back and do the bathroom, which I'm passing on my right. There is a very large full-size mirror here. Hello, welcome to my flight outfit day. She's really getting a workout, going on so many hours. And right behind me is the closet. Now, this is a super real room tour because I have already unpacked Callie and I. So you're going to see all of the things. And if you haven't watched our packing video, now might be a great time to do that. I'll make sure to link that above. You can see here that we've split the closet. Mark and then Chelsea and some Callie at the top. Mark was able to fit some shirts and pants. You have extra towels, which I love that you have those, because we always go through our towels. Of course, you get the extra pillow and blanket in this closet. There's a luggage rack. I put our shoes down at the bottom, and there is an ironing board back here with an iron and a safe over here on the right. I also really like that the lighting is automatic, so when you close both of the doors, the lights go off, and same when you open them. See, I think that's a nice touch. You are set up here with a little coffee station, microwave, and then all the things you might need down here for that. Now, we are not coffee drinkers, but I do appreciate this extra storage because I put Callie's like kind of her surprises in here. She's got some snacks over here. We've got some glow up things. We've got things for her to play with in the pool. So I think that's a nice little extra bonus storage. I'm not sure what else you would put in there besides snacks. Maybe if you go grocery shopping, there is a Target locally, so you could put things in here to save yourself some money. We have I Como Mai Aulani Guest. I haven't changed this yet. That is where the little bird chirps are coming from. I hung our leis. Mark surprised Callie and I at the airport with fresh flower leis upon arrival at the luggage area. So I did hang them here. They smell delicious, so I'm gonna keep those up there. We have this set of storage here. Now, there aren't a ton of drawers, but they are super deep. So I was able to fit all of my pajamas, undies, socks, and t-shirts and shorts in by sharing with Callie on this side, and then Mark is on that side. This, unfortunately, is a fake drawer, and this is your fridge. There's a little table over here. Now the lamp is one of my very favorite details of this room. I'm kind of putting over here like things that we're going to use every day. Bags, accessories, hand sanitizers, masks, etc. And I also really like the bamboo details, the rope details on this mirror. Just think this is such a nice touch. And the palm leaves in the carpet match my dress. Now if we swing about, you're going to see two, I think these are queen-sized beds. We've set Callie up on that side. We're gonna be on this side next to the balcony, which I'll show you, because we want to be able to leave the room and sit on the balcony and have cocktails or takeout while Callie is asleep in the evenings. Something great about the bed height is that it allows you to put your luggage underneath. So we fit 2 large away suitcases under here and then 3 carry-ons on that side. So this is great storage for under the bed. There are on either side these little end tables that float. They kind of remind me of the ones we actually have at home with a lamp. Now there are not any USB cord plugs in here. Something to note, I do travel with my own pillowcase. Yes, silk pillowcase for the curly hair journey. But there aren't any USB outlets, so I'm glad I brought extra bricks with me because otherwise I wouldn't be able to charge my devices because the plugs are all regular. Callie has brought her slew of buddies with us, 3 of which are from Disneyland. And of course, Oahu needed to come to his homeland. And we're setting her sound machine, her readers. These are like little books on here, Disney Princess books, Disney Princess stories. And then her alarm clock is going to be over here as well. So that way she knows when she's allowed to get up. It's called a Mela, by the way. I will link it in the description box if you're interested. It has been a lifesaver. So again, not a huge area, but we won't be in here very much minus sleeping, and possibly if Callie wants to take a rest in the middle of the day and we're tired too, we'll come back and lay on the beds, maybe take extra showers. Love that on vacation. Let me show you the balcony. Now it's going to be super loud because you can you see how windy it is out here? But there's a screen door that locks, which I think is really cool. So you could have this open. Right now it's a bit warm, and because it's so loud, I just have the door closed. Okay, Chels, you can do this. Oh. Pro tip, you need to push this down to open the screen door. That's probably to make it child-proof. There is this, I don't know if you can see it because it's dark, more intricate locking mechanism so that your children, and it's up a little bit higher, aren't able to just open these doors. It's really heavy. So we do not have a room with a view because the parking structure is right here. However, I can hear music from the Aleolo room up here. You can see the mountains in the distance. These gorgeous palm trees are here. And it's breezy. I foresee a lot of time spent in the evenings out here with fruity cocktails as we listen to music and sit under the stars. I'm really looking forward to this part of our stay. And lastly, let's head into the bathroom. So it's really pretty in here. I have not unpacked all of my toiletries. That actually takes a considerable amount of time. We have like the little water closet toilet situation off to the side. Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a is the state fish of Hawaii. Fun fact. There are no drawers, but there are open spaces for you to put your things and a really big countertop, which I think is helpful. And then I think the star of the show here has to be this super deep tub with the rain shower here. Now you have a bunch of different showering options. You certainly don't have to use that, but who wouldn't want to use that? And I think Callie will love this. Brought some glow cubes with me to make her tubs a little more exciting, as well as some bubbles. And I like this little seating area, so like I can sit here while she's in the tub to wash her hair, and we can chit chat and hang out without me needing to get absolutely soaked. Already hung my bathrobe and my hair cloth up here. That's the tour. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here. We're going to have so many Disneyland and Aulani videos coming your way, so please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit your notification bell. Do all the things so that you get notified when we have new videos every single Sunday. I hope you are having a magical day. Mahalo and aloha. Bye.